me, ये pool मेरा है. And Ranji actually he was very friendly. He wanted to make him friend, but the voice, the tone, जो इसका था, it was like a enemy. Or then that boy says that you go away, I am a warrior. And then Ranji says that I won't go away because I am a fighter. And then they start fighting. उसके पहले who start the fight? This boy start the fight. How does he start the fight? He slap him on his face. जोर से slap लगाता है. He slap in such a with such a force that you can see the 5 finger thick red fingers marks on his cheek. 5 उंगली की निशान आ जाते हैं. और and then what was the reply of Ranji? वो क्या करता है? He also give him one big push लगाता है on his nose पे एक मुक्का लगाता है with him. How was, and then he push him, ढकेलता है वहां से, and give him a massive push, पीछे ढकेलता है. और उसके पहले उसको चेहरे पे he give him a good blow on his face. Then their fights begin. And they continue for fight. You can see here how were they fighting. They were sometimes swaying, moving from one side to another. They were tumbling like this. Then they were kicking each other, and this fight went on for a long time. Both देर तक चलती रही. And when there was, during the course of their fight, when they were fighting, what were they doing during the fight? Fight के बीच में क्या कर रहे थे? वो क्या कर रहे? They were gasping, you know, panting म्हणजे हापना. Then cursing means गाली देना एक दूसरे को. Clawing means scratching each other, एक दूसरे को नाखून से एक ओरबडणे त्यांना. Then slapping गालावर मारणे. And they rolled into the shallow of the pool. Then they fell into the water. And even in the water, they continued the fight. The fight was continued in the water also. Even in the water, the fight continued, and then they were covered with mud. कीचड़ से भर गए दोनों. And they were groping for each other's head. Groping म्हणजे बोलू नका तिकडला कोणाचा आवाज सुरू आहे. They were groping for each other's head and throat. Throat मतलब गला पकड़ रहे थे. But after 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle, after they continued for 5 minutes, and how was that fight? Very frenzied. Frenzied means very violent. Violent म्हणजे बिल्कुल बहुत तगड़ी फाइट हुई दोनों के बीच में. Then दोनों बैठ गए अपनी जगह पे, और एक पूछता है अभी, what does one ask? क्या पूछता है वो रंजी? Now do you realize I am a warrior? Realize means understand. तुम्हें पता चला I am a warrior. And what does he say? Do you know I am a fighter? तुम्हें पता चला I am a fighter. Neither both had emerged victorious. Victorious means winner. Nobody was winner. Nobody had lost the fight. Their bodies heaving with exhaustion. Their bodies heaving with exhaustion means tired. They were very tired. Both made tremendous effort to speak. Tremendous means very big. Effort means प्रयास कर रहे थे. काय के लिए? बोलने के. Means they were unable to speak properly. Why were they unable to speak properly? Because they were very exhausted. Exhausted means tired. उसके बाद क्या होता है? Then they gave moments consideration to each other's answer. They gave a moment. Moment म्हणजे काही क्षण. Consideration means think. They thought for some time. जब इसने warrior बोला, उसने fighter बोला, कुछ नहीं बोले उसके बाद. Then in that moment of silence there was only their heavy breathing. कशाचा आवाज येत होता दोघांच्या सायलेन्स मध्ये? हेवी ब्रीथिंग, हापने की आवाज आ रही थी. And the rapid beating of their hearts. Rapid means very fast. Beating म्हणजे धड़कन, धड़ कर रहा था उनका. क्या? धड़कनें बढ़ रही थी उनकी. Of their heart, because they were very tired. And when you are tired, when you do some hard work, you breathe very rapidly. आप बड़े जोर से सांस लेते हैं, and your heartbeats also increase. उसके बाद ये रंजी क्या कहता है? What does this boy say? सूरज. Then you will not leave the pool. Then you will not leave the pool. ये देखो सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस यूज किया. You will not leave the pool. Leave means सोडून जाणार नाही. हा काय म्हणतो? No, I will not. I will not go. ने क्या कहता है? Then we shall have to continue the fight. We will have to continue the fight. He said, okay, all right, we will continue. Then the warrior had an inspiration. Then the thought came. Another thought came in his mind, in the mind of the warrior. Warrior के दिमाग में दूसरा thought आया, क्योंकि अभी दोनों थक गए थे. They did not want to continue the fight. दोनों नहीं चाहते थे कि फाइट शुरू हो. फिर क्या हुआ? ये क्या कहता है? We will continue the fight tomorrow. We will continue the fight tomorrow. अब देखिए सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस है ये. We will continue. सब्जेक्ट will प्लस हम फाइट कल करेंगे तो उसको हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में बोलते हैं. देखिए इसमें भी सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस आया. यू विल नॉट लीव. वी विल कंटिन्यू द फाइट टुमारो. इफ यू डेयर टू कम हियर अगेन टुमारो. डेयर मतलब हिम्मत करना. इफ यू कम हियर अगेन टुमारो आई विल नॉट शो यू मर्सी. I will not show you mercy. देखिए सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. I will not show you mercy. mercy म्हणजे मैं तुम्हें कोई दया नहीं दिखाऊंगा. As I have done today, जो मैंने आपको आज दया दिखाई बेटा. आज मैं उतना अच्छी तरह से तुम्हें नहीं मारा मैंने, लेकिन कल अगर तुम आओगे तो I will not show you. show you म्हणजे नहीं दिखाऊंगा मैं. mercy नहीं दिखाऊंगा, दया नहीं दिखाऊंगा तुम पर. ये क्या कहता है रंजी? I will come tomorrow. सिवा सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. I will come tomorrow and I will be ready for you. मैं तैयार रहूंगा. They turned from each other. एक दूसरे की तरफ से निकले वो. And they left the forest by different routes. Routes मतलब roads, paths, ways. They left the forest. Forest छोड़कर चले गए. From different routes. नए रास्ते से. अब घर में What happens at home? घर में क्या होता है? Now you see his mother, रंजी की मदर क्या पूछ रही है? What are those cuts and bruises showing on your face, leg and arms? When Ranji went home, there were many cuts and bruises on his body. Bruises म्हणजे काय रे? Scratching, cuts जो होते हैं, निशानियां, injuries ज्या होते हैं, त्याला bruises म्हणतो आपण. वर पडण्याची निशाण वगैरे. So mother asked him, what are those cuts and bruises showing on your face, legs and arm? इसने बहुत मार खा के आया था रंजी. So there were many bruises, there were many cuts on his face, there on his arms, on his legs. So mother asked him, how did you get those bruises and cuts on your body? Ranji found it difficult. So it was very difficult for Ranji. For what? To conceal. CONCEAL. Conceal चा अर्थ लिहिला आहे. Conceal means hide. आप क्या करने का बेटा, जैसे जैसे ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं ना तो चालू क्लास में आपके स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया करो, तो आपको फिर बाद में उसका वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये आप वर्ड्स बाद में लिख सकते हैं इस तरह से. हाँ, ये करने के बाद, स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के बाद. ओके. रंजी फाउंड इट डिफिकल्ट. ये सिंपल पास्ट है. रंजी फाउंड इट डिफिकल्ट. टू कंसील मीन्स टू हाइड, छुपाना. क्या छुपाना? द फैक्ट दैट ही हैड बीन इन एन अनयूजुअली वायलेंट फाइट. वायलेंट फाइट मध्ये, एका लड़ाई में वो, एक फाइट में, झगड़े में वो झगड़ा हुआ उसका किसी बच्चे के साथ. दिस वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू हाइड. ये छुपा नहीं सकता था. क्यों? बिकॉज हिज बॉडी वॉज शोइंग. देयर वर मेनी साइन. निशानी थी उसके बॉडी पर, कट्स थे, ब्रूजेस थे. दैट्स व्हाई ही कुड नॉट हाइड दिस फैक्ट. ये फैक्ट उसको छुपा नहीं पाया फ्रॉम हिज मदर. तो मदर ने उसको पूछा. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? And his mother insisted. Insisted का अर्थ होता है forced him. Force किया उसको. क्या force किया? Staying at home. To stay at home for the rest of the day. Rest of the day means बाकी का दिन. अभी तुम घर पे आए हो, तुम्हें बहुत थके हुए दिख रहे हो, बहुत सारी मार भी पड़ी है तुम्हें. There are many injuries on your body. So mother told him, don't go away from the house. You will not go away from the house. You will stay at home the whole day now. अभी पूरा दिन रेस्ट ऑफ द घर पे ही रहना है आपको. मदर सेड. ओके. नेवरदलेस. सी नेवरदलेस, हाउएवर, इवन देन. नेवरदलेस मींस इवन देन. फिर भी इन द इवनिंग, उसी शाम को, ही स्लिप्ड आउट एंड वेंट टू द बाजार. चुपचाप निकला घर से विदाउट टेलिंग हिज मदर एंड ही वेंट टू द मार्केट. बाजार में चला गया. ओके. देन व्हाट हैपेंड इन द मार्केट? In the market, he found comfort. Comfort means solace. Solace means आराम मिला उसको. समाधान भेटलं, आराम भेटला, comfort भेटला. And solace म्हणजे आरामच. कशामध्ये? in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade. Lemonade असते निंबू पाणी, vividly colored, वेगवेगळ्या कलर, बर्फामध्ये अपने बर्फ का गोला खाते ना, उसमें बहुत सारा कलर डालते हैं, उसमें उसको he took one lemonade and he was enjoying that lemonade by sitting at some place. एक जगह पे बैठ के he was enjoying lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot sweet jalebis. He bought one full banana jalebi, banana full jalebis. Hot jalebis is bought. उसने खरीदी एक जलेबी. जलेबी कितनी? Full of banana leaf. एक बनाना लीफ पे जितनी वहां पे बैठ सकते उतनी जलेबी ही purchased, and he also purchased one lemonade, vividly colored lemonade, and he was enjoying by sitting at some place in the market. एक मार्केट में बैठ के he had just finished his lemonade. उसने जो lemonade था वो उसने खत्म ही किया था. तो what did he see? He saw, ये देखिए, he is sitting there. What did he see? He saw his adversary. Adversary means enemy. Enemy मतलब शत्रु. उसका शत्रु वो लड़का जिसके साथ उसकी फाइट हुई थी. He saw his adversary coming down the road. He saw that. Who is talking there? Who is speaking there? पीयूष जमाले. पीयूष बेटा आवाज बंद कर तिकडून. बाकीचे आहे ना क्लास मध्ये, ऐकू येतं ना तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? सगळ्यांनी बिलकुल सगळ्यांनी ओके. आणि जेव्हा तुम्हाला काही समजत नाही लगेच विचारायचं मला तिथं चालू याच्यामध्ये. हा ओके. बघा आता नंतर व्हॉट हॅपन्ड. He was enjoying in the market and suddenly he saw his adversary. Adversary means enemy coming down the road. रोड से आते हुए दिखा towards him. His first impulse was, impulse म्हणजे काय? Sudden desire. Desire म्हणजे इच्छा. पहिली इच्छा कोणची थी? First desire was to turn away. To turn. What was his first desire? First wish. पहिली इच्छा क्या थी? To turn away and look elsewhere. Elsewhere में उसकी तरफ नहीं देखना. To look elsewhere, कहीं तो भी दूसरी जगह देखने की उसकी पहली इच्छा हुई. पहली इच्छा उसने जैसे अपने शत्रु को देखा. And his second impulse was, impulse means desire, was to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. To throw his bottle. There was a bottle of lemonade in his hand. अपने हाथ में उसे वो लेमनेड की बॉटल थी. तो उसकी इच्छा क्या हुई? To throw that bottle at his enemy. अपने शत्रु को मारकर फेंकने की. दो इच्छा आई. पहली, not to look at him and look somewhere else. Second, to throw the bottle at his enemy. लेकिन उसने दोनों नहीं किया. क्यों नहीं किया? Let's see. But he did neither. Neither म्हणजे ये भी नहीं किया. Neither nor जिसको बोलते हैं. He neither looked elsewhere nor threw the bottle at the enemy. Neither. दोनों नहीं किया उसने. Neither look somewhere nor threw the bottle. So what did he do? Instead उसके अलावा उसकी जगह उसने क्या किया? In that place. Instead in that place. He stood his ground. अपनी जगह खड़ा हो गया. And scowled at his passing adversary. Scowled. SCOWLED. Scowled चा अर्थ खाली दिलेला आहे मी. He looked angrily. He looked angrily at his passing adversary. Passing adversary जो वहां से जा रहा था adversary enemy की तरफ गुस्से से देखा उसने. What was his reaction? He looked very angrily at his enemy. The warrior जो लड़का था, he said nothing either. उसने भी कुछ नहीं कहा उसको. He did not say anything, but he also scowled back with equal ferocity. Equal, उतनी ही ferocity के साथ. Ferocity, FEROCITY. Ferocity means fierceness. उतने ही गुस्से के साथ scowled किया. Scowled किया मतलब angrily देखा. किसकी तरफ? रंजी की तरफ. This was the reaction of that boy. देखिए क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है इस पे. What was the first impulse and what was his second impulse of Ranji when he saw his adversary in the market? So answer is, when he saw Ranji saw his adversary in the market, his first impulse was to look somewhere, not to look at him. And second impulse was to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. And so next question आता है, what did he do? He he neither threw the bottle nor looked somewhere. So what did he do? He only looked at him very angrily. He scowled at him very angrily. And next question is that what was the reaction of stranger? What was the reaction of Suraj? The reaction of the Suraj was that he also looked at him with equal ferocity, scowled at him with equal ferocity. That is what happened in the market. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Sabhi? Sabhi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the next day was okay. अब उन्होंने ठहरा हुआ था. ये देखिए, ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है मार्केट, इट हैपेंड ऑन द सेम डे when they had a fight. उनकी जो फाइट थी, अब नेक्स्ट डे they had decided to continue the fight. नेक्स्ट डे उनको फाइट करना था. So let's see what happened the next day. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Next day was also very hot like the previous one. पहली डे देखो ये जा रहा है. He is going to the pool. Look at his face, expression on his face. He is not looking very happy. He is looking very sad. Not sad because he was actually very tired. He was not interested in fight. उसको तो fight करने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही थी. Tired था, लेकिन even then he was going because the atmosphere was also very not good. It was very hot. Then see what happened next day. जाते जाते क्या सोच रहा है वो? Let's see. Ranji felt weak and lazy. Weak means he was feeling very tired. Ranji. And he was also feeling very lazy. आलस भी आ रहा था. And he was not at all eager for a fight. Not at all eager. Eager means he was not interested in fight. उसको fight नहीं करना चाहता था. Why? Because why? Because his body was stiff. Stiff means rigid हो गई थी उसकी ऐसी वो फाइट के कारण हमारी अकड़ गई थी उसकी बॉडी. स्टिफ मराठी में उसको अकड़ ना बोलेंगे. स्टिफ को बोलते हैं नॉट इलास्टिक, है ना, वेरी रिजिड. हिज बॉडी वाज वेरी रिजिड, कड़क हो गई थी. एंड सोअर आफ्टर द प्रीवियस डेज encounter. Sore means it was very painful. His body was very paining because he had got lot of beating from his enemy. उसको अच्छी तरह से मार पड़ी थी. तो इसकी बॉडी में असर क्या था? His body was very rigid, stiff, and it was very paining everywhere. हर जगह दुख रही थी. Because of the previous day. Previous मतलब पहले दिन का. First days encounter. Encounter का अर्थ होता है fight. Okay, इधर लिखा है मैंने. Okay, next day. जाते जाते क्या सोच रहा है? देखो ये. He is thinking. But then I cannot refuse the challenge. He is thinking, I must go. मुझे जाना ही चाहिए. I cannot refuse. REFUSE. refuse का अर्थ होता है deny. नाकारणे, डिनाय करणे. चॅलेंज म्हणजे आव्हान जे दिलं होतं त्यानं मला, क्या आह्वान दिया था? टुमारो वी विल फाइट. सो ये आई कैन नॉट रिफ्यूज, कैन नॉट का यूज किया यहाँ पर. देखिए कैन नॉट के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगा है कैन के बाद. आई कैन नॉट रिफ्यूज द चैलेंज. मैं चैलेंज को रिफ्यूज नहीं कर सकता. इफ आई डोंट टर्न अप एट द पूल. टर्न अप म्हणजे इफ आई डोंट गो. टर्न अप मीन्स गो. इफ आई डोंट गो टू द पूल, व्हाट विल हैपन? It will be an acknowledgement of defeat. Acknowledgement मतलब acceptance. Acceptance म्हणजे स्वीकारणे. काय स्वीकारणे? Defeat म्हणजे हार. देखिए वो सोच रहा है लेकिन मेरी इच्छा तो नहीं हो रही जाने की. But if I don't go, तो it means that I have accepted my defeat. मैंने अपनी हार मान ली है. नहीं जाऊंगा तो हार हो गई मेरी. ये एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे. And I think I will be beaten up anyway. और ये भी मालूम है मुझे, अगर मैं जाता हूं I will be beaten up anyway. मुझे मार पड़ेगी फिर से. I will be beaten up anyway. But लेकिन एक फायदा ये है मार खाने के बाद भी, I can't acquiesce in my own defeat. I can't acquiesce in my own defeat. Acquiesce का अर्थ है accept. Accept quietly. चुपचाप सहन करने, चुपचाप मान लेना. क्या करता है ऑथर? क्या कह रहा है रंजी? आई थिंक आई विल बी बिटन अप. मुझे तो मार पड़ने वाली है. बट आई कांट एक्वाइज इन माई ओन डिफीट. लेकिन मुझे मार पड़ने के बाद भी मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं नहीं हारा. मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा अपनी डिफीट. मार कितनी भी मारने दो. आई विल से आई विल फाइट. आई वोंट एक्सेप्ट माई डिफीट. ही वॉज थिंकिंग, मैं अपनी हार मानूंगा नहीं. आई नीड टू डिफाई or outwit my enemy. I want to defy. Defy means उसको मुझे हराना पड़ेगा. I want to defeat him or outwit my enemy. Outwit म्हणजे काय रे? Cleverly. I must outwit म्हणजे त्याच्यावर मात करणे. Outwit करणे म्हणजे मात करणे. मात कशी करतो आपण? क्लेवरली, बुद्धि से मात करना पड़ेगा या फिर ताकत से मार करना पड़ेगा, उसको हराना पड़ेगा. तो ही वॉज थिंकिंग आई नीड टू डिफाई, उसको मुझे चैलेंज करना पड़ेगा. डिफाई मुझे चैलेंज करना पड़ेगा और डिफीट करना पड़ेगा और आउटविट माय एनिमी. आउटविट उस पे मुझे कोई होशियारी से चाल खेलकर उसको हराना पड़ेगा, माय एनिमी को. For only then I can gain my respect. This is the only way, either to defeat him or to outwit him. In this way only I can get my respect back. Again म्हणजे प्राप्त करणे, get back. My respect म्हणजे आदर, माझा जो सम्मान, माझी जी इंसल्ट केली त्याला, वो इंसल्ट मैं फिर से कैसे अपनी इज्जत कैसे वापस कर ले सकता हूं? बाय डिफीटिंग हिम और बाय आउटविटिंग हिम इन द फाइट. फाइट में हरा कर. ओके, एक ये थॉट्स आ रहे उसके कब? व्हेन ही वाज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द पुल. इफ आई सरेंडर्ड नाउ, सरेंडर करणे म्हणजे समर्पण करणे, एक्सेप्ट करणे, पराजय एक्सेप्ट करणे, सरेंडर उसको बोलते हैं. इफ आई सरेंडर्ड नाउ आई वुड बी बिटन फॉर ऑल द टाइम. मैं अगर जाऊंगा और कहूंगा कि यस I am defeated, I accept that you are strong and I am not strong. Okay, so if I say this, what will happen? It means that I would be beaten for all the time. हमेशा के लिए मैं हार जाऊंगा. फिर एक बार मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया तो अपना डिफीट. बट टू फाइट एंड बी बिटन टुडे, इवन बट लेकिन मैंने आज फाइट किया. बट टू फाइट एंड बी बिटन टुडे, आज भी मैंने मार खाई, समझो जैसे मैंने कल खाई. बिटन टुडे leaves me free to fight. इससे मुझे एक फायदा होगा. I am free, मैं फ्री रहूंगा, फिर से मैं कर सकूंगा क्या? द फाइट अगेन, फिर से मैं फाइट कर सकूंगा. अब भले नेक्स्ट डे मैं फाइट में भी आई एम बिटन अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं मार खाते जाऊंगा लेकिन मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा कि आई एम डिफीटेड. सो इट विल, व्हाट विल हैपन? आई विल बी फ्री टू फाइट अगेन टुमारो आल्सो. और जब तक मैं ये करता रहूंगा, as long as I fight, जब तक मैं इसके साथ फाइट करूंगा, I have a right to the pull. I have a right to the right म्हणजे अधिकार. I will have the right to the pull. पुल पे अधिकार होगा. देखिए what he is thinking. He knows that, Ranji knows that my enemy is very strong. Even if I fight today, he will defeat me. He will beat me. No problem. But what will I say? I will say that no problem. How much he beat me? How many times he beat me? No problem. I will say that I am not defeated. I will fight with you again. Again I will fight. Again I will fight. So what will happen? My right will be there. I will have a right on the pull. Right म्हणजे मेरा अधिकार बना रहेगा. किस पर? पुल पर. अगर मैं एक्सेप्ट करूंगा डिफीट, उसको बोलूंगा कि नो यू आर स्ट्रांग, आई एम डिफीटेड, इट मीन्स दैट आई विल हैव नो राइट ऑन द पुल. मेरा कोई अधिकार नहीं होगा किस पर? पुल पर. तो ऐसा सोचते सोचते ही वॉज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द पुल नेक्स्ट डे. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ओके ओके.
Yes, sir.
अभी चलो हम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं. हम देखते हैं आपको कितना समझ में आया. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. जो भी आंसर देगा वो हाथ रेज करेगा. In what way is the forest pool different from the one which Ranji knew in the Rajputana desert? Raise your hand.
Sir.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand there. युवराज बुधवान. Yes. और किसने? युवराज बोलो बेटा.
Sir, the pool was different because the forest pool was clear and we can see the pebbles at the bottom of the pool, and the Rajputana desert's pool was dirty, muddy, and there was women were washing their clothes and the men were washing their buffaloes.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Nice. Next question. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. The other boy asked explain. वो पूरा explain करो बोलता. किसको? वो दूसरा भाई जो आता है. What did he expect Ranji to say? वो क्या expect कर रहा था रंजी से? जो नया बच्चा आता है वहां पे वो पूछता है explain yourself. Explain. What did he expect? वो रंजी से क्या expect कर रहा था? Raise the hand. दूसरा बॉय जब देखता है रंजी को वहां नहाते हुए और वो बोलता है कि व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर. अब यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, तो वो क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था रंजी से, रंजी से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि वो फ्रेंड बन जाए, वहां पे उसको यूज करे, ही यूज द पूल लाइक हिम, व्हाट वाज ही एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम हिम, क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था उससे? यस संकल्प, यस संकल्प ठुमरे।
Sir, the other boy expecting,
हाँ
sir, the other boy accepting that,
हम्म
expecting that he
हम्म
say sorry to him.
yes he say sorry to
Sorry,
him.
he say sorry.
Yes, he wanted Ranji to say sorry to him. Sorry बोलने को explain कर रहा था कि मैं भाई I am swimming in this pool, for that I am sorry. He was expecting this from Ranji. Okay. Was he in your opinion right or wrong to ask his question? ये question पूछा उसको कि यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? This pool belongs to me, and why are you swimming in this pool? Go away from there. Do you think that boy was right?
No, sir. He was not right.
Why do you think he was not right?
No, sir.
Because
The pool is common property.
Because the
Common
because
property.
it is natural property.
Yes, it was a natural
Because it is
property.
natural property.
It does not belong to anyone.
pool is natural property, sir.
It was, the pool was for everybody. It was a natural property, है ना? It was common. It was open for all. So nobody can say that this is my pool. It was not a private property of anybody. Correct, beta? Right. Next, between Ranji and the other boy, who is trying to start a quarrel?
Other boy. Other boy.
Ranji.
Other boy.
Other boy.
Other boy.
Yeah,
Other
हाथ वर
boy.
करा.
Other boy, sir.
हाथ वर करा, हाथ.
Other boy.
हाथ वर करा. Raise your hand.
Other boy.
पीयूष जमाले रेज. और किसने रेज किया? वेरी गुड. 1 मिनट. ओके, अदर बॉय. ओके, नाउ आयुष सुरे, टेल. आयुष सुरे, हु इज ट्राइंग टू, हाँ
Other boy.
हाँ, गिव रीजन. एक कारण बताओ, कैसे पता चला कि तुमको वो उसने फाइट शुरू करना चाहता था?
Because other boy stabbed Ranji's face.
ओके, रंजी को स्लैप किया,
नहीं।
लेकिन उसके पहले एक रीजन होता है कि रंजी का मूड कैसा था? व्हाट वाज रंजी थिंकिंग व्हेन ही सॉ द अदर बॉय? एक सेंटेंस आया है, हाँ,
Ranji's
Friendly
very
looking.
good.
He was friendly looking.
yes, he was looking, he wanted to be friendly with him, he wanted to be friend with him. ये सेंटेंस आया है, हाँ, in the lesson there is a sentence which tells us that he wanted to be friendly with him. It means that not Ranji, but that boy, other boy was trying to start a quarrel. Very good. Then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. ये कहता है, we will have to continue the fight. Continue the fight. What made him say that? ऐसा क्यों कहता है वो? Raise the hand. Then we will have to continue the, said the other. What?
When the Ranji said that he was,
हाँ, पीयूष बोलो, बोलो पीयूष, हाँ, बोल पीयूष.
because when the Ranji said that he was a warrior.
ओके, नहीं, यहाँ पे सेंटेंस देखो, वी विल हैव टू कंटिन्यू द फाइट. कंटिन्यू मतलब कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा. इसकी मतलब उसके पहले फाइट हो चुकी है उनकी. ऐसा क्यों कहा उसने? 1 मिनट,
Because
Because he is
both are tired. Because
Because
both are tired.
1 मिनट,
Both are tired.
बोथ आर टायर्ड. ओके, ठीक है ना. और क्या कारण था?
Because not justify. Both body are paining with.
ओके, दोनों की बॉडी पेनिंग है. और
sir, nobody defeat.
yes, nobody was defeated. Yeah, this is the right answer. Nobody was accepting the defeat. कोई अपनी डिफीट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा था. कोई नहीं बोल रहा था कि मुझे मेरी डिफीट हो गई है. Both were saying that yes, I will continue the fight. Both were not ready. Both were not ready to accept the defeat. कोई डिफीट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा था. That is why वो कहता है we will continue the fight tomorrow again. Right? Did the fight continue? उसी दिन फाइट कंटिन्यू हुई क्या? उसी दिन फाइट?
No, sir.
Why?
No.
Why? Raise the hand.
Both become friends.
Because both were.
Both became the friend of each other.
नहीं, अभी फ्रेंड नहीं हुए. उसी दिन फाइट कंटिन्यू क्यों नहीं हुई?
Sir, the both were tired.
Both were
And
tired.
both were tired.
Yes, correct. both were tired.
Sir, the both.
Right है, both were tired. Right? Okay, ये वाला देखिए. What is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? What was it difficult to explain at home? घर में क्या explain करना मुश्किल था? To his mother. Raise the hand. Sania, raise. Sania Pandey, tell.
Ranji finds difficult to explain his mother that he had been fought with the boy,
Yes.
and
Okay.
he get by fighting violence.
Okay, or it was difficult to explain how did he get those cuts and bruises on his body. That is the right answer. Right, hai na? It was Ranji found it difficult to explain cuts and bruises on his body, and it was also difficult for him to tell his mother that he had a violent fight with one boy. That was very difficult to explain. Okay, next question. Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. Ranji ने अपने adversary को, adversary मतलब अपने दुश्मन को देखा in the bazaar. What does he wish to do? What does he wish to do? दो इच्छाएं आई थी. Yes, हाथ वर ऊपर करिए. Raise the hand. Raise your hands. Yes, who raised the hand?